Alright, boom, baby. Last episode was pretty intense, right, Shy? Shy, go that way. Go that way. Around. So last video was fun, to say the least. But today we're going to save Frankie. So I'm actually pretty excited. Although it's funny, I ordered some of the parts through the old Amazon and they're still not here. So I don't know what's up with that. So I'm going to go down to O'Reilly's. We're going to get the copper tubing. We're going to fix that line. We're going to see if we can fix the brake reservoir sealing issue. And yeah, we're going to go from there. Right, Shy?
Yeah.
Yeah, so today is Save Frankie Day. Bring him back to life.
Yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, we're going to save Frankie. All right, let's go. O'Reilly time. All right, so in case you are not familiar, so we have this line that goes all the way to the gauge here, right? Mm-hmm. So I made the mistake of running it through that hole. So we're going to have to figure out a better spot for it to go through the firewall. And then under the hood, so it comes in, shoot, where does it go? Oh yeah, right there. Probably can't see it.
Can I hold the camera?
And then it comes up to here, which is where we had our issue. You can see it's all split off. And then it runs through here, and it runs right into here. So pretty easy. Just a little fitting right there, right, Shy?
Yeah.
So we're going to have to swap this with copper because that's what's creating our problem from the looks of it. And hopefully that fixes our issue. So let's go get some copper tubing, Shy. So insanely hot. It's triple digits for sure. And welcome to Arizona summers. Man, it is. We are right there. So I found a good spot. The only challenge I'm facing now is I'm trying to crawl in the cab to pull it down, but just being a bigger guy, it's a little challenging. So But we're good as far as we've got the route. We don't have to drill any holes. I just have to loop it through. So that's what I'm doing now. Then we'll get connected up and make sure everything's secure. So far, really good. It's just really hot. I mean, saying it's really hot is like an understatement. I mean, it feels like somebody's blowing a hairdryer on you the whole time you're working. It's a little brutal. Anywho, back to work, baby. so we checked the oil. We're still good there. This is the new copper line. I have as few bends as possible. We could always tweak it if we wanted to, but now there we go. So we got it connected there. It's under the hood as well. We're going to do a startup because we do have oil, and just to make sure that we're good. Once we're done with that, we'll probably mess with the brake thing, but yeah, let's check that first. We do have a ton of oil from that incident that's still on the headers, so I am anticipating a bit of smoke until that burns off. But aside from that, we should be good. Your gauge is working, so that's good. Oh, it is so hot. It is so insanely hot. I found an issue already though. The connection, both connections are leaking. Awesome. So insane right now. Triple digits. This job is just fighting me, man. So the compression fitting didn't go on right, so I had to fix it. Took it off, then it fell off. I lost it in the rocks, so I had to fight to get one of the old compression fittings off, which then didn't fit onto the new copper line, so I had to make it fit and bend it back into shape. Now I'm putting the line back on, and the bottom piece, I'm worried it might be threaded. So I'm taking that off and putting the other one on. And in the midst of that, my toolbox spilled all over the ground. So it's been a fun little time. Boom, baby. This thing is fighting me so much. Oh man. All right, so I'm just trying to get the I had to swap. I basically put all the new hardware on it. Got the pressure fitting finally on. Man, but it just doesn't want to play nice. It just wants to fight the entire way through. And it's hot. It's triple digits. But bam, I mean, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. This is starting to take a while. It's extremely hot. If I can get this done and good, I'll be happy with that progress for now. Got it. That was a bit of a nightmare. So let's test it and let's get out of this heat. All right, so it's still leaking. Gonna have to mess with it some more. In true Frankenstein fashion, he just doesn't want to. He just doesn't like to do what he's told, you know? Frankenstein just likes to I don't know, just left alone, I guess. I don't have the energy in this heat anymore. I mean, it is boiling. It is so hot. We got most of the way there. From what I can see, yep, so from what I can see on both sides, it's still leaking, so that's awesome. I'm sure we'll get it. It's just a little tweaking, but I just, I'm like half tempted to mess with it right now. See, this is a problem when you can't just walk away from it until it's done. You just keep on to fix it. Hold on, let me see. No, I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna come back because I gotta keep it fun. Anyways, it's all right. We'll get it sorted out. It's only leaking a little bit on both sides. We just probably gotta tighten them up or whatever. I don't want to rush it. Whatever. Like and subscribe. I think we're on the road to getting Frankie fixed, which is awesome. It is summertime, so now we're dealing with the heat, which in Arizona is brutal. So thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. We'll get this done. It's basically there. I'm actually really happy because the placement for the line is way better also. And then just from what I could tell, it actually reads a lot better, if I'm not mistaken, on the gauge. It seems a lot faster, a lot more responsive. So please also check out Build Cameron, Edge of Eternity. Go check out his channel, please, and Tim Windsor. Those are the two for today. But we've got a ton of great channels here. Please go check everybody out. I do have new stickers that are starting to be made, so I will start sending those out to people and whatnot. All right, boom, baby.